Well, another long day in Banana Land. Just going through the cover crop. It's quite high, but fortunately the flail mower has been able to cut through it. So, sorry about the sun. So here I just cut with the flail mower an entry point for trucks that's gonna come and put some sand and stuff for the water tank and the septic system and everybody else. So they're gonna pass through here instead of passing through the new driveway, which is basically just for us, just for our car. So didn't want them with heavy trucks start damaging everything. So they're gonna pass through here. It's fairly hard, so it shouldn't be a problem. So on the strip I basically planted 53 Lucerne, 25 or 26 I guess on each side. So this hopefully will provide a little bit of shelter as they grow. So this is in combination with the Bana Grass at the end and at both ends also. So over the past 3 weeks the plant seems to have survived quite well, and even the corn that I planted starts showing up. So there's another one right there. So that's pretty good. Yeah, this one, the sapote, is quite happy. So yeah, so it's a lot of corn. Yeah, I didn't notice. Another one there. So it seems like on this row all the corn start to stick out. So I cut the grass also. Looks a bit more neat. And then in December, it's gonna be our Christmas party, I guess. We're gonna put a row in the middle. At least just one out of the 3 possibilities. We're gonna put a lot of pineapples and papaya and 3 tomatoes and whatever I've got left of bananas. So that's the second row. They also seem to be quite happy. The bananas are happy. And then the third row. There's a new leaf coming out of this banana. Yeah, they've been growing like crazy. It's amazing. And then this is the 4th row. Now the whole trip for this time was to plant the 4th row. And there's a lot of fairly big bananas plant anyway in this row. And it was all the one that I had were fairly tall. When I bought them, most of them were Lucerne, some Cavendish, but they were about I don't know, 40 centimeter tall, and that was just last year. So quite a lot of growth. They all seem to be healthy. These leaves are quite nice and green. So this is the 4th row. We had a problem with the hay because it rained quite a bit a couple of weeks ago, and all the hay is really mush. I mean, that's one of the pile there. So I didn't have any more dry hay, but yeah, if I spread it over, it will dry a little bit. So my row of hay doesn't look as sexy as the one Sandra did. She did the 3 rows over there. It looks more neat, but yeah, that's the way I've done it. It's gonna protect anyway. And this one's got a baby also, banana plant. So, and then on the other side, got my other row of 3 Lucerne here. I put it at 3 meters from the center of the row. So this is to match basically everything in this pattern. So these rows are 6 meters apart. And then the middle will be the 3 meter line where we're gonna put another row of stuff. So these tree lucerne basically fits that pattern. So tomorrow, Sunday, last day for this trip, I'm gonna put the irrigation line here, and I'm also gonna try to put some for the tree lucerne and the Bana grass at the end. And there's another line of Bana grass here also. So I'm gonna try, if I've got time, I'm gonna put in also some drip irrigation for them, just to get them going. But yeah, I'm looking forward to see all of this stuff will grow over the summer. And hopefully this year I don't expect to have any banana, but I've got a couple of trees that I bought 2 years ago. One over there is not doing that great at the moment, but there's a new leaf coming up, but this one is pretty good. So maybe we'll have a flower this year, but I suspect it's gonna be next year. Same thing with my pineapple that I'm gonna put in the middle. Fairly big plant, a couple of years old now, but I suspect it will be next year. This one's got a nice new leaf too, so every day is going like crazy. Yeah, it's quite healthy too. So the Bana grass has also started to grow like crazy. As you can see, there's one there, and there's some other, like this one also. It's doing great. This one too, etc. So yeah, it's incredible. This grass has been growing like crazy. It was just a stick 3 weeks ago. So it's sunset now, so better go take a shower. I don't think I've ever been that dirty with my clothing. We had a bit of rain today and I was planting the tree lucerne. But yeah, it's part of the game. So I'll talk to you later.